Konnichiwa! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will go to one of the oldest and well-known temple here in Japan, and it founded in year 717. The temple has also been awarded a Michelin star for its beautiful scenery within its ground. So if you want to see it, just keep on watching. In the year 2017, this temple marks its 1,300 years since it was founded. I highly recommended it to visit during autumn season. You will find it why. Konnichiwa mga KaMochi! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, nandito tayo sa Natadera Temple! Let's go! Pipila tayo doon sa line para bumili ng ticket. So, 600 yen daw ang isang ticket. So, later, pipila tayo para bumili. Okay? Ayan yung bayad. Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. Hi. So, pagpasok dito sa Natadera Temple, let's go! So hanggang dito lang pwede. And ito yung moss garden nila. So guys, in Japanese, this is the Kondo Kaodeng, the central worship pavilion. And dyan sa loob niya, makikita yung malaking Buddha na mayroong 11 face and 1,000 armed. And hindi pwedeng mag-picture sa loob or mag-video, kaya hindi ko siya na picturean or na videohan. So if you want to see it, I will put the link down below kung ano itsura noong Buddha nila. So now let's go to the main part of this place. So you will see a lot. So keep on watching. So guys, the Natadera Temple is a temple of worship of nature. So this Natadera's grounds are spacious and it takes at least half an hour to explore. The Natadera Temple has been considered a sacred place to pray for deities. So from ancient times, the caves at Natadera Temple were compared to womb of a mother. So considered to be the places of Kiyomaru, the cycle of death, purification, and rebirth. So most of the Japanese believe that by passing through these caves, spirits could be cleansed of the sins of this world and be born again as from their mother's womb. So, and they could pray, and they will pray for fresh start. Japanese maple tree. So guys, marami pa spot doon sa dulo. Meron din doon sa pinaka taas. Kung saan makikita mo yung kabuuan nitong Natadera. Guys, ayun. Akit tayo doon sa pinaka pagoda. Doon sa taas para makita natin yung kabuuan nitong Natadera. Okay? Let's go! Goddess itong garden, sabi ni Papa. It's so beautiful. Sa taas para makita natin yung kabuuan ng Natadera kasi makita niya yung buong view doon sa taas. Let's go! The natural rock formations at Natadera Temple have been revered as a sacred place for well over 2,000 years. The forest surrounding the temple provides a place for healing. So during the Edo era, the master haiku poet Matsuo Basho visited this place and left a haiku saying, "Ishiyama no Ishiori Shiroshi Aki no Kaze," means the autumn wind is whiter than the white cliffs of the stony mountain. na to, dito sa lake na to, may koi fish. Ayun o, orange. puso mo. Keep out daw. So, bawal. Sorry. Sorry, Gil. Pwede kayo. So that's it, guys. Nalibot natin ang buong Natadera. Bye-bye! That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope that you like this one. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. And yeah, so that's it. So I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye, channel!